Hi, I'm Kelly Brown with the Women's Health Initiative Foundation, and I'm here today with Dr. Catherine Nelson Murphy, who is the lead practitioner here at the Happy Hormone Cottage. And Happy Hormone Cottage is one of our partners for our grant program at Women's Health Initiative Foundation. So today we're going to talk about one of the components of our grant program, our individual grant program, which is the DNA Life Estrogen Metabolite test kit. So it's a mouthful, I know. It's a mouthful. So Dr. Murphy, tell us what this test kit is all about and how does it work?
Okay. So DNA testing for estrogen looks at the metabolism of estrogen, how a person breaks down that estrogen, how their body is able to detoxify and clear estrogen in their system. So the majority of breast cancers in women are not family related, but due to other factors. So a lot of women want to look to see what are their risk factors for possibly developing estrogen related health issues.
So what could be some of the health issues that women would find in this test kit?
So they would be able to determine, does their body, again, clear out estrogen well or metabolize it well? Does it go down a different pathway that maybe is not healthy for them? So the majority of people, men and women, have been over-estrogenized in our society. So estrogen is found in animals, found in the environment through what we call xenoestrogen. So things like herbicide, pesticide, plastic when it's heated, environmental toxins or food additives, preservatives. So we are at a greater risk for estrogen-related health issues.
So would this particular test is for women, and would any woman want to take this test, or would a particular health issues want to take it?
So it's important for anybody to take it to see, again, what their risk is. As women are most afraid of developing breast cancer. So if you can look to see, are there issues, potential issues that I can change the trajectory for? So we can individualize lifestyle, nutrition, supplementation to determine what needs to be done to help improve that person's ability to, again, detoxify or clear out estrogen.
So even though DNA is DNA, so DNA never changes, this is the opportunity to intervene because our DNA is telling us that there's some things that areas we can improve upon, right?
Correct.
Okay. So what is the process? For the test, is it blood? Is it saliva? How does the test?
So it's a cheek swab, and so a person would just obtain the kit and just swab their cheek at home, goes into the test tube, into a mailer, and just goes off to the lab. The price of the testing does include an appointment for interpretation and planning of lifestyle changes or supplementation.
So that's great that it's the whole kit and caboodle, basically. So it's not just the test kit, you get the interpretation as well. And it's super easy. It's a cheek swab is virtually painless. It's just painless, not even virtually, but it's painless, and you can do it at your home, convenient, at your time, your own convenience. So so once a person takes the test, they would come in here and have for an appointment to do the interpretation. And then what else would someone want to know about the test? Is there anything else that anyone would want to know about it?
Well, our DNA never changes, so it is a test that only has to be done once to identify those risks. So it would never be repeated again because our genes would not change.
Okay. So if you're interested in the test, you can purchase the test for Happy Hormone Cottage. But if financially it's not within your reach, we do have a grant program through Women's Health Initiative Foundation where we will actually pay for the test and that interpretation that Dr. Murphy was talking about. So if you're interested in applying, go to our website, www.womenshealthinitiatives.org, and go to our initiatives tab, and that's where you'll find the grant application and all the criteria to apply for the grant, and hopefully we can help you out one way or the other. So I want to thank Dr. Murphy for talking with us today about that, and we hope to see you soon. Thanks for tuning in.